大家好，我係 WowA 嘅升學顧問 Licky， 今日嚟參觀一間被譽為全球歷史最悠久、好多學生夢寐以求進入嘅英國公學 The King's School Canterbury 國王公學。搭火車去倫敦只需要1個小時，學校亦都係英國名校集團 Eton Group 伊頓集團嘅成員之一。今日除咗係睇學校之外，我哋仲會去了解更多關於國王公學嘅全新夏令營課程。
咁我哋依家就嚟到 The King's International 入邊嘅其中之一個班房啦。咁喺夏令營嘅時候咧，都係由呢一間學校嘅原校嘅老師去做教學噶啦。Mike 啦，呢度嘅夏令營總監有同到我講話，想俾學生一個 full King's 嘅 experience 啦，即係原本學校有嘅嘢都會帶到俾夏令營嘅學生啦。學校都係實行小班教學嘅，咁一班就大概係最多都係啦12個學生左右啦。身後啦，都係一個音樂嘅一個 music theatre 嚟噶啦，表演嘅 theatre 啦。呢度可以容納咧足足300個人嘅。喺夏令營入邊嘅音樂同埋表演藝術嘅課程咧，咁就會用到呢一個場地做教學嘅場地啦。臨到最後尾啦，夏令營嘅結束嘅時候，佢哋嘅結業禮嘅一個才藝表演咧，都會係喺呢一個 theatre 度進行嘅。
國王學院擁有一個專業運動員水平級別嘅體育中心。無論係健身、網球、足球、籃球、羽毛球、游泳、賽艇運動項目都一應俱全。值得一提嘅係，國王公學呢度嘅劍擊校隊係全英國最優秀嘅校隊之一，全國比賽亦都係常年攞獎嘅。而劍擊呢，喺夏令營嘅體育學院選修課程入邊都係有得體驗嘅項目之一嚟嘅。
咁啱啱先就參觀完 The King's International 國際部嗰邊啦，依家就移師到過嚟 Main Campus 呢一度啦。咁我身後嘅咧就係佢哋其中之一個男生宿舍啦。咁夏令營亦都係會用嚟做宿舍嘅。而喺 International 嗰邊嘅學生嘅話咧，咁就會入住雙人嘅套房啦。咁入邊係有廁所嘅。咁如果係 Main Campus 呢一邊嘅學生嘅話咧，咁就會入住單人房或者係雙人房啦。咁而呢一度嘅話咧就係 share bathroom 嘅，即係有佢哋公共嘅洗手間啦。
呢度嘅學生無論係學術上定係課外活動都享有頂尖嘅資源，就連學校嘅教堂都係 Canterbury 呢度嘅地標 The Canterbury Cathedral 坎特伯利大教堂。每年上百萬遊客過嚟呢個世界文化遺產打卡。夏令營課程當然包括參觀呢一座咁具歷史韻味嘅城市同埋教堂啦。頂住全球歷史最悠久學校嘅名銜，打造一個最專業嘅夏令營課程。我哋今日有幸請到國王公學國際夏令營及短期課程總監 Mike Pingelly 親自為我哋介紹呢一個令人期待嘅夏令營。
Hello and welcome to King's School Canterbury. We are the oldest school in the world at over 1,500 years old, and we've decided to run an international summer school. This will include English language content and academies that allow you to go into more detail on specific academic subjects of your choosing. This will include international relations, music and performance, sports, and pre-university preparation course. All of this content is taught by our year-round teaching staff, so our team that work here all year round are helping us to build a really exciting syllabus. They're going to come back in their summer holidays, they're going to teach you during the summer as well. So not only will you be staying in our amazing historic campus, in our own boarding houses, with our own pastoral support team, with a student ratio of roughly 1:4, you'll also be taught by our academic teachers as well throughout the summer. So you will get a genuinely King's boarding school experience during your stay with us. We have exciting excursions, sports and social content as well, and we would love to welcome you to join us this summer. So a common problem that can happen on summer schools when you're travelling overseas, often for the first time, is you can feel a bit homesick. Key way to help this on a summer school programme is all of our students start at the same time. So there's no rolling admission of students with strangers coming and going every weekend. You all join together, you all progress together, learn together, get more comfortable doing the classes, improve your English language and improve your academic skills together at the same speed. So it's a truly kind of community experience with lots of other students who are all feeling exactly the same way as you, which does help you to feel less kind of sort of nervous about the experience. So you're kindly going to come and join us on our summer school this summer. We will obviously come and get you from the airport when you arrive in the UK. We will have a team of our staff there waiting for you at the main London airports. You won't have to wait any longer than an hour in the airport before we put you on a coach or on a minibus. Again, our team will be there to support you through that process and will transport you back to the centre of Canterbury. Now, we're really lucky. We're about an hour away from London on a bus from Heathrow and Gatwick. So it's not a long journey to get to Canterbury, to get into your accommodation, to settle down and make your new friends, and to start the summer school experience with us. Hopefully it will be a smooth journey. And then we do the same thing all in reverse when you go home at the end of the course. We'll take you back to the airport. It's about an hour-long journey again, help you through security, at which point you get on your plane and you can go home and see all your family safely.
今日嘅學校參訪行程就嚟到呢度。如果想了解更多各皇公學夏令營嘅內容，記得聯絡 YOA 啊！大家都不妨讚好同埋訂閱我哋嘅頻道，等我哋去拍更多學校俾各位睇啦。